Hi everyone and welcome back. When you start, organizing needs lot of efforts, but once your kitchen or home is organized, you just need to maintain it, and that's not a difficult task. Only thing we need to be little smart to utilize whatever we have, and slowly ideas will come automatically. We usually keep eggs in the fridge where we have egg slots, but there are limited slots and it becomes difficult to store all those extra remaining eggs. So this egg container is very good option. You can store 24 eggs all together in this container and store all those extra eggs separately and safely without damaging them in the fridge. I'm using this container from last few months and I'm very happy with this product. Very convenient to store this box in fridge. Not only kitchen but our dining table also need to be organized and decorated a little. So I am using a small wooden chopping board which has a very unique shape and very appropriate for displaying few things on dining table which we need when we eat our meals. Other than chopping vegetables, you can use your chopping board to display things on coffee table and dining table. This is silicone lid which can be used to cover any type of bowls or glasses. Most of the time we search for lids to cover those bowls which we wanted to store in fridge, and many times these lids are not properly fit to the bowl and very inconvenient to store in the fridge. Consider using these silicone lids. It will fit in any type or shape of bowl and they are also leak free and comes in different sizes in one set. These silicone lids are dishwasher and microwave safe also. I bought this from Mera.link website which has variety of products at reasonable price for home and kitchen. You will get cash on delivery, free delivery and very easy returns and replacement. You can check out the website through the link given in the video's description below. Also, WhatsApp link is given for easy shopping. Do check the website for various discounts and offers going on. This wooden masala box comes with 12 separate wooden container. Very beautiful and elegant looking masala box, but not so convenient to use on daily basis. It is very heavy and little uncomfortable to use while cooking. Also, it is difficult to clean all the time. But because it looks very beautiful, I did not return it. Instead of keeping masalas, I am using it for storing whole masalas which I use occasionally, and few pouches of sugar and Italian seasoning and also sugar free sachets, etc. Also, I am using this masala box to store all my adhesive hooks. It's not necessary to store only those things for what it is meant for, but you can use differently or you can use different ideas to utilize certain organizers or containers in various different ways. For storing snacks and cookie packets, I am using this ceramic jar which I have shown you in my last video. These are big ceramic jars. You can easily store these packed cookies, and because these cookies are packed individually, there is no need to pack them in airtight containers. For more packets of biscuits, I am using this DIY box which I have covered with cotton rope just to make it little presentable. You can store these jars on any of your kitchen rack or anywhere on your counter. I am using my OTG top space to store all these containers placed on a DIY tray so that whenever I need to use OTG, I can just remove the tray conveniently without removing any single item. So these are few simple ways which I use to store things in my very small kitchen. Hope this video will help you to organize your kitchen if it is small like mine. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.